In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix download option not showing in Google Drive. If you're trying to download a file from Google Drive and the download option is missing, don't worry. This usually happens because of permissions, browser issues, or settings that prevent downloads from appearing. We'll go through the most effective fixes in a clear order so you can find the cause and solve it quickly. First, open Google Drive and locate the file you want to download. Before anything else, check your file permissions. If the file was shared with you, the owner may have limited what you can do with it. Look to see whether you have viewer, commenter, or editor access. If you only have viewer or commenter access and the download option is unavailable, you'll need to contact the file owner and ask them to enable downloads. Next, make sure you're opening the file in a desktop web browser. In some cases, the Google Drive mobile app doesn't show all available options. Open Google Drive in your browser, open the file, and then look for File, and then Download. If you don't see that, check the More Actions menu, which appears as 3 dots. If you own the file yourself, check whether downloads have been disabled. Right-click the file, select Share, and then open the Settings menu using the gear icon. There, look for the option that allows viewers and commenters to download, print, and copy the file. If that setting is turned off, enable it and save your changes. After that, refresh Google Drive. Simply reload the page, open the file again, and check whether the download option is now visible. Sometimes the issue is temporary, and a refresh is enough. If the problem continues, clear your browser cache. Open your browser settings, clear cached images and files, restart the browser, and then sign back into Google Drive. Old cached data can sometimes prevent menus from loading properly. You can also try a different browser. Open Google Drive in another browser such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari, and see if the download option appears there. Another common cause is browser extensions. Extensions like ad blockers, download managers, or script blockers can interfere with Google Drive. Temporarily disable them, refresh Google Drive, and check again. It's also a good idea to update your browser to the latest version. Once updated, restart the browser and reopen Google Drive. Also, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can stop Google Drive from loading all menu options correctly. Switch to a stable network, refresh the page, and try again. If none of these fixes work, the file owner may have intentionally